Hello, Shamone family. I am outside in the back, just looking at my grass. At the nature. Look, you see that? It's all bushy. Well, today I'm going to be talking to you guys about why you guys should go outside more often when you're dealing with stuff, because I think my opinion is that nature is like really calming, and just the beauty of it is just, it calms you and it makes you feel good. Like, my yard don't really got nothing, but because the leaves fell down, but just see this tree. And well, you get the point, right? So why don't you just like walk around? So I'm walking, right, and I'm looking at all of the beautiful nature on this earth, like this. Watch. I'm walking, I'm looking, walking, looking, see, I'm looking at it. Oh, it's a flower, look, trees. I'm just walking and walking. I'm like, oh, what the heck? Like, oh, look at these. Some people eat those. Just saying, I'm not gonna be untrue. I tried it before when I was a kid. I'm not ashamed. Look, we've got more. There's a flower. I don't know if you know that there's little flowers. I'm not sure if you guys could see that, because I can't see what I'm showing you because the camera's faced the other way. But you get the point, right? It's really, really relaxing to go outside and just just enjoy nature. You guys need to go outside and enjoy nature more often, because nature wasn't put on earth for no reason. So try it and tell me what you think. Look, more leaves. There's another one. But yeah, you guys should try to enjoy nature more. Trust me, if it works for me, it works for you. Because I go through a lot, and I go outside to get some air, and I just look at the nature, and I look at the trees and stuff, and it really brightens my day. So if it does that to me, it does that to you. Trust me. And if that don't work, then we'll figure something out. Okay? So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and you guys are awesome. Okay? You guys keep moonwalking and smile, okay? Smile, and don't forget to tell your friends. I don't know, just talk to your friends or something. Live your life. But if you're having a bad day, just remember that you're not alone, okay? So that'll be all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. All right? So let's see. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day. You guys are awesome. Smile. Keep moonwalking. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Shamone.